Welcome back to another video. As you can see, we are at the extension of the veranda of the guest room of a double-story building that we're building currently. In this episode we are gonna go higher up. So we're gonna go now the second story up. We have prepared it, we have beefed up the frame, we have made it all nice and strong. So I think we're ready to go up. And Desmond also did decide that she wants a bay window. So bay window is this extending outwards window. We're gonna do that in the very front. This will probably be the hardest challenge to figure out, so let's just try to achieve that, and then the rest should be pretty easy. So let's get started and cut some wood and see if we can build it. Like a chair at the end of the world, doesn't it? Okay, come Agulus, hang with me. Bring 2 more Agulus. Bob the builder goes to his work. Danger zone you're in. What am I doing for you, this thing? Out of love.
Oh, so you don't want it for yourself?
Out of love, I said. Actually gonna make a castle here, huh? So we have got this far. This is the most complicated part. Of course, it's our choice to add this extremely complicated extension, but I think it's gonna definitely add to the look instead of just going flat. Of course, flat would also look pretty good. I don't think it would look bad, but this will look really old and really cool with the style. Kind of like those castle windows. It's less of the window that I said, what was that? Bay view window. It's more of a castle view window, like really old kind of castle style window. So I think it's gonna look really nice, and I do like this angle as well. Instead of so boxy, it kind of has this fluid connection to the house. And here we're going fully till the roof, so the roof is actually gonna go on top of this now. Everyone can see my thoughts, kind of. I all have it in my head. I know exactly what I need to build and the angles I need to build, but that's, I guess, just a talent I have to vision it. I don't need to write it down. I wrote it down for Despina on the thing, just how it's gonna be, but for me, I already have it here.
Okay.
So let's now move on to the sides and figure out the windows on the sides. On the front, we don't need to figure out the windows yet, but on the sides, we do. So let's get to that. Really want the floor here. So far, so perfect.
Yep. So now you can vision how it's gonna look
A bitty.
a bit. Let's go see from the side. Now you can see. Pretty impressive.
Does look good though. Pepe, what are you doing? They're not ready yet.
Wait, wait, wait. Yep, he was hopping. Look, look. Oh, now you're not doing it. Look how he's shaking it. He's smart. Well, he shakes for the other guy.
Only got one. The other one leaves.
How
Oh,
is...
he did the work and didn't get the reward. Oh, poor boy.
How smart is he though?
I do need to help this tree, so he's not doing a bad job.
Okay,
Here you go, Pil. You like them green. You have these ugly ones I can take off. Like the tree doesn't need to put them. Here you go, your wards. Put it up for wow.
Oh, you're right.
That is pretty shaky.
I need to remove it, no? Evie!
She came up?
Ow! Evie!
Evie, what are you doing?
Ella! She fell down. She was on the ladder.
She slipped at the end of the
She
step.
slipped at the end of the ladder.
Evie, c'est
Ella, Ella. I wouldn't call it good, but... I guess.
Strong grip you have.
Right.
Right in the middle.
Perfect.
Don't know about this way, but this way it can still jiggle. So that is how far we have gotten today. And the night is here. The sun has set already, I think, or maybe it's setting behind the clouds. But it's getting cold and mosquitoes are attacking us and we're out of energy. But I think it's pretty good progress. We have kind of made the shape that is exactly how we wanted. And I think it looks pretty good. And it's really stable, really strong, feels really good. We still have a lot to add on the bottom floor, so we'll see. Probably the wood will not be enough, so we might just get smaller pieces with the car instead of just taking the van, because also van takes more fuel. So we might just throw them in the car and cut them in the 2 meters, which we can put in the car, no problem. We cut them into 2 meters and then bring them back. But yeah, that's kind of it for today, and we're gonna see you next time. Hopefully next video we're gonna be ripping into the ceiling and not ceiling, into the roof, and hopefully doing all that framing, and then we have to do the roof, and then it's gonna be sealed again from water with a fresh new roof. So it's gonna be really exciting how this thing will turn out with the new roof and the siding once it's gone. You know how it is, whenever you add the siding and the windows and all that, you really start to bring it to life. Now it's just kind of like an empty frame, but yeah. Hope you enjoy, we're gonna see you next time, bye bye.
I could not vision how it's gonna turn out, but I love it.
Let us know in the comments what we should, what we did wrong.
Have we said what we're gonna do up there? We haven't said anything. What it's gonna be upstairs.
Yeah.
We haven't said. So make sure to subscribe not to miss it.
Yeah, once it's packed with things.
See you next time.